Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still caught in this overall sideways correction. There are not many new insights. However, I have added a couple of new parameters to the chart because of some recent developments. But please be aware, there isn't much happening on the chart. So it's all based on microstructures, micro movements, to a degree pretty unreliable. Nevertheless, we are tracking them. And the overall situation hasn't changed from the 5th of August low. We have this rally in what I labeled wave 1 in yellow. That doesn't mean, the low has to be in, but at least I'm considering it. And as long as we're holding the $119 level, or 119.61, this is what I'm considering, as primary count that a low has formed there in wave 4. But it's not that we have a lot of confidence in it. So it could easily still break, very easily, yeah. And all it needs is a break below the $119 level. A clearer signal that we've bottomed would be a break above the yellow wave 1 high, which formed here at $164 and 20, roughly. So 164. So that level would need to break next to the upside. We're obviously far away from that right now. We haven't even broken above this yellow line, which is the next key level. As mentioned in the last updates, this $152, 152.20 level, that's the next key level that needs to be broken to the upside. For now, as I said, we have a possible yellow wave 1 to the upside that peaked on the 8th of August, 9th of August, 8th of August. A pullback into support, it means, okay, maybe wave 2 bottomed. Maybe we formed a low in that support region. However, we need a more convincing upside breakout. We need, let's say, more convincing upside momentum. And it's just not there at this stage. We need to see a more convincing reaction. So at the moment, this is, okay, for me, that's mainly a 3-wave move. I guess there will be people who call it a 5-wave move up, but I'm not. You can, if this move up is considered a diagonal pattern, but then it needs to hold a higher low, which is why I've got in the yellow count a 1-2 setup here. Okay, so you could even say maybe this is the wave 1, but it wouldn't make a difference. The invalidation point is the same, and the invalidation point is here $136.30. So that's the invalidation point for the yellow wave count, yellow microstructure, that there is a 1-2 setup that sends us higher. I can increase the wave degree by 1. You can maybe see that a little better. On the flip side, the decline from yesterday's high looks like a 5-wave move down. Well, in the yellow count, that would be likely a C wave. So it's not a problem, it's a 5-wave move down. So we have an A wave, B, C. Still though, whenever there is a 5-wave move down after a questionable 5-wave move up, we have to be very mindful. It might be that this is setting up for further downside. Also here, I want to just increase the wave degree by 1. That's not me predicting downside. I'm just highlighting that, we are pretty much in a phase of indecision across the market. The analysis can tell us when probabilities are starting to shift everywhere, okay, or when they are likely starting to shift, because here, once we see a break, or let's say, once we see a break below the $136 level, that invalidation point, that would clearly favor the white count. But more important also, well, not more important, but also important to the upside is this resistance area. Because a wave 2 corrective rally in the white count shouldn't break above the 78.6 retracement. So it shouldn't really break above $147.23. So any break above it would already start to shift probabilities towards the yellow count. This would be further confirmed with a break above this last swing high at $152.20. Whereas a break below the Friday, the 16th of August low, will invalidate the yellow count as it is and would clearly open the door for a test probably of here 127, but more likely even $119. Those are the key levels, but as you can see, if we zoom out a bit, this is all just noise. There isn't much going on there, and we need a break either below the Friday low or at least above $147, a convincing break, to get some bigger moves in and to get some clarity. So that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.